Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
my name is Sultan Ahmed Khan and I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Nice to meet you, Sultan.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Ben. I'm from Ireland. And is
Mhm.
that like that's like an office you're in? I see. You look very smart.
I'm in a school right now.
Oh, school, you're a teacher.
Yes,
Very good, very good. What do you teach?
I teach English.
Oh, brilliant. So you don't need me then.
No, no. I just want to practice English with native speakers.
Okay, it's a good idea. And so, how many students would you have in a class then?
There are three sections, and in each section, we have almost 20 to 25 students.
Okay, very good. What age ranges in Saudi Arabia are the children allowed to go to school?
No, actually, I am in the school,
Yeah.
but we take online classes from here.
Oh, online classes.
The children are at their homes.
Right, right,
So
right.
they don't come here, but
Okay,
sometimes maybe twice in a week they come
right,
and two or three students in from a section.
right.
So yes, to spend some time. That's all.
Oh,
They don't learn anything new.
you're not. Where are you from originally?
I'm originally from Pakistan.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because I have a few students from Saudi Arabia, and I knew
Mhm.
your accent was different, so I could tell, you know. So yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah, yeah.
yes.
Tell me this: do you know the local language, any of it at all?
No,
No.
I don't.
Okay.
But I am trying to learn this language.
How long have you been there for in Saudi Arabia?
It has been almost 1 year.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Messaging system on Cambly translation system is quite good. So I see the Arabic writing. It looks very complex, very, very hard to read, you know. So only when I can translate it can I make out anything. Because the characters are all it's strange, isn't it? The way it's written, like it's just all.
Yes, but sorry for interruption, but it's very interesting that in our language, that is Urdu, we have the same alphabets as in Arabic.
It's really wow.
Yes.
My wife is from China, so um, I was her like language is characters, so it's mostly like pictures. You know, the Chinese writing.
Mhm.
So it's
Yes.
I find I find it very interesting. You know, very interesting, especially people from a certain part of the world. For example, a group of people like Japan, China, and Korea, for example. The
Mhm.
characters, the written language is very
Yes.
similar, you know. So it's interesting
Yes.
that you've said that Saudi Arabia and Pakistan, like the writing is similar too. It's very interesting. Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
But as you have discussed Chinese language and their characters, uh, it is very difficult to understand them. I don't know how do they read, but Japanese characters and Chinese characters, they are very difficult. These are like drawings.
Yeah, 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 yeah. No, well, I understand. I can tell you how, for example, my wife, when you're a child in China, you would learn like this. So the the her name is Wong. Her surname is Wong, which means king. Okay, so
Mhm.
they learn like this. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see that quite close. See this?
Uh, you,
Can you make it out?
you
No,
just need to put it a little bit down.
a little bit down.
Uh,
I'll draw it. Actually,
it's a bit blurry.
I'll draw it. Sorry, I'll draw it like this.
Okay.
I'll draw it. That's basically the character for
Oh, this.
yeah,
This is like the alphabet E.
yeah, yeah, exactly. So that's Wong, which means king. But what someone in I don't know I can't remember exactly where, but somewhere where they're taggers, they told me that if you look at a tagger's head, the stripes
Mm-hmm.
have that same character on their forehead. stripes form that same character that makes the word king on their forehead. All tigers, apparently, So I was
Okay,
interested.
okay.
Yeah.
And as I told you, my name is Sultan. Meaning of this word is a king.
Yeah, I was going to say Sultan. Yeah, it's like,
Yes.
yeah, emperor or high official. Yeah, yeah, king. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. Very good, very good.
So the Chinese letters actually have the pictures, and they just change them into the words or alphabets, right?
So they learn this way first. So I can type in like say another word would be ma, which means now ma can mean horse or mother, depending on they have a tonal language. I don't know if you know about the tonal languages in certain parts of the world.
Oh, I'm not familiar. Okay.
Okay, so ma as first tone is like a flat tone, so it's ma, and then they have ma, ma, ma.
Mm-hmm.
So depending on the way you say it, you could be saying horse or mother, So
Okay.
so
Okay.
it has four tones in the language, and the Cantonese language, which is southern China, has 9 tones. It's completely different. So yeah, very, very.
I mean, it seems very difficult to learn
Yeah.
this language.
I actually tried to learn Spanish a few years back, and I found Chinese was a lot simpler. So the Spanish language I couldn't understand because of the male and female words. They have like a masculine and feminine words dependent. So if you're talking about a male or female thing, you have to use
Mm-hmm.
the O at the end of a word, or a female is the A at the end of certain words. So
In every word
no, not
or in
every
certain
word, only
words.
certain words. Yes, certain words.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't get that in my head. So Chinese is a very much simpler language compared to that. So
Spanish.
yeah, yeah. For example, the Chinese don't have a word for computer. Um, the word is electronic brain, so they get electronic and brain and put the two words together.
Wow,
Yeah,
so informative.
exactly. So you get the information from the words almost, which is brilliant. Like, yeah, quite simple.
Uh, the thing which you showed me
Yeah,
on that notepad, that was the whole word, right?
yeah, Wong. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the whole word.
It's not a letter, it's the whole word.
Yeah, that's the word. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
But
Great.
some characters would be grouped together for a word. So not all words are that small. So a
Okay.
longer word would be maybe 2 or 3 characters, almost like syllables. You understand? Like, So yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, yeah.
Actually, I also tried to learn Chinese, and I quit after learning few sentences like ni hao ma, like
Yeah, how are you? Yeah, that's it.
yes.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
That's it.
Now I have forgotten it.
Yeah.
I memorized 2 to 3 sentences. Now they are not in my mind.
Right. No, that's it. That's perfect. Yeah, yeah. So it's good you remember that. Yeah, it's quite ni hao is hello as well. So basically, when ni hao ma basically means you um good ma, and then you put ma at the end. That turns it into a question. You see at the end.
Okay.
So ni hao means hello, or literally good, or you good, basically you good, and then ma changes it to the question form. So yeah, very
Mhm.
interesting.
So, how much Chinese language have you learned? You are a beginner or an intermediate
Well,
student?
my wife's Chinese that my wife's Chinese, so her mother and father would regularly come here and visit. So I hear it all the time. So as I'm hearing them converse, I'm understanding more and more. So I didn't
Mhm.
originally have to speak it much, but I understand more than I can speak because it's going in, but I need the confidence more to talk, to speak it. But because my wife's such a good English speaker, I don't need to use it. You understand? Yeah,
Okay.
so, but I know basic. I can get by in Chinese. Yeah, yeah.
Great, great. And what about your children?
Other,
Do they understand Chinese or speak
yeah,
it?
yeah. My daughter, she's 9. Her mum talks to her in
Mhm.
Chinese, talks away to her in Chinese, and she understands everything.
Wow.
But she answers her in English because she knows, my daughter knows that my wife can speak English, so she
Mhm.
doesn't reply in Chinese. But when her grandmother's here, she knows that her grandmother can't speak English, and she replies in Chinese.